In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background in Google Slides. It's a simple process that can really enhance the look and feel of your presentations, making them more engaging and visually appealing. By the end of these instructions, you'll be able to give your slides a personalized touch with ease. First things first, you'll need to go to Google Slides. You can easily find it by entering Google Slides into your browser's search bar, or you can go directly if you have the URL saved. Once you're there, the next step is to sign into your Google account. This is important because it gives you access to all your saved presentations and allows you to make changes that will be automatically saved to your cloud storage. Now that you're signed in, you should find yourself on the Google Slides homepage. From here, you'll want to either start a new presentation or choose an existing one to work on. If you're starting fresh, click on the option for a blank presentation, or if you're looking to spruce up a current project, go ahead and select a template that suits your needs. Navigating to your slide is straightforward. Simply select the slide where you want to change the background. Click on it so that it is highlighted and active. Now look towards the toolbar at the top of the page, which offers various customization options to suit your presentation style. From this toolbar, you'll want to find and click on the background option. It might be slightly hidden within the options, so keep an eye out for it. Once you've clicked on background, you'll see a pop-up menu with a few choices. Here, you can opt for a simple color fill that can give a clean and professional look to your slide, or you can choose image if you want something more visually dynamic and interesting like a photo or graphic. If you decide on an image, you'll have the opportunity to upload a picture from your computer. Another option is to search for an image directly through Google, ensuring it's perfectly suited for the tone of your presentation. After making your choice, make sure to click Done to save your changes. If the background isn't quite right, or if you have a creative change of heart, you can always go back and modify it again. Experimenting with different backgrounds can be a great way to find the perfect visual setting for your content. And there you have it. Changing the background in Google Slides is a simple yet effective way to enhance your presentation. Whether you're looking for a subtle shift in color or a vibrant graphic, a well-chosen background can make all the difference. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.